Hey guys, it's Callum Williams with Remax Farm to Farmer. Today we're at our latest listing located outside Parkhill. Johnson Farms is an opportunity to purchase an ongoing dairy farm with 86 kilos of saleable quota, 50 acres of land, and an awesome set of farm infrastructure. Let's go take a look. As you step into the freestall barn, the light, open layout, and excellent airflow stand out right away. The barn is set up with 86 milking stalls and a drive-through feed alley, designed for efficiency and cow comfort. Dry cow and maternity pens are conveniently located at the front of the barn. This barn features two Lely A5 robots added on 5 years ago when the barn underwent a major renovation. Feed storage includes 5 concrete bunks offering plenty of capacity. 2 manure pits provide ample manure storage. The heated workshop is an essential part of any farm and provides a great space for repairing equipment. The home is a solid 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom bungalow farmhouse.